Welcome Flutter devs. We will use Injectable package for Flutter which integrates seamlessly with Getit as a service locator. For this, as a first step, let's add the required dependencies in the prospect.yaml file. And the dependencies are Getit, Injectable, buildRadar, and Injectable generator. Run the Flutter prop-get to fetch the packages. This setup ensures that our project is ready for dependency injection. Now let's set up the file that manages our dependency injection. We'll create a file called injection.dart in the lib folder. This will initialize and configure Getit to manage dependencies. For that, we have to initialize Getit and import it. Getit is a service locator that stores and retrieves instances of services. The injectable init annotation marks the method used to initialize dependencies. The configure injection function accepts an environment parameter, for example, debug and release, to allow environment specific configurations. And there is an error. To solve this, we have to run. For this to work, we have to import injectable.dart called injection.config.dart. In the terminal, dart run build file has been created and we have to import it. We have to connect configure injection to the main.dart file. So here configure injection debug initialize all services for debug environment to the root widget, and we can run the app. Let's create a service called NameService and we will use Injectable here. First, we need a list. Let's create a list of names. This is a list of name and we will use this list to generate random names. For that, we have to create a random function instance. So this is the instance. For that, we have to import dart.math. Then we will create two random methods that will generate random names. So get random names and get another random names, and we will mark this name service as a singleton and import injectable here. Now that we created this name service, we will use these functions to get random names in our one of first and second pages. How can we do that? Let's find out. Similarly, let's create a number service that will give us random number. For that, we have to initialize random function and import the dart math library. After that, we will create a random number generator till 100 and another one, get another random number till 200, and we will annotate this number service with a lazy singleton and import the injectable.dart. Let's integrate number service into the first page. This page allows user fetch random numbers with buttons. It also includes navigation to the second page. Here, Getit number service retrieves the single instance of number service that was registered earlier. This ensures no new instance is created, keeping our code efficient. Call the getRandomNumber function here and we will show a snack bar to show the number on it. Save it and get another random number, same number service or get another number. On button press, get random number is called and the result is shown in the snack bar. Snack bars are useful for display short messages. We'll do the same for the get another number function and we will save it and now check it. We will get a random number of 85, then call again, getting 63, 7, and for the get another number is same. You can see here. So we have successfully inject number service to this first page and getting the random number here. We will do the same for the second page. Here you can see the name service is called here and this type is name service. For that we have to go to the second screen. Here you can see get random name called. The get random name method is called here and shown in the snack bar. Charlie, Bob, Charlie, Bob, Charlie, Charlie, Alice, Alice. So we are getting different name every time we are clicking. We are getting different name every time we click. So this might be repetitive because the name are only 5. So when we are getting a random name, it's showing between these 5 names. So we have initialized lazy singleton to these name services, and through that we are using the name service in the second page by instantiating, or you can say injecting with get it. Without injectable, we need to manually register each services and write boilerplate code by automating this. Without injectable, we need to manually register each service and write boilerplate code. By automating this, injectable save time and reduce errors, make dependency injection seamless and efficient.